Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the best Magpul pressure switch mount Mlok options out there. If you're looking for a durable, lightweight, and highly functional pressure switch mount for your tactical setups, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. Let's dive into why this mount could be the perfect addition to your gear. First up, let's talk about the build quality. The LThyzszb Mlok remote pressure switch mount plate is crafted from high-grade aviation aluminum, making it incredibly durable while keeping the weight at just 1.05 ounces. This makes it ideal for those who need strength without adding unnecessary bulk to their rifle or setup. The mount has been finished with a hardcoat anodized surface, ensuring that it resists wear and tear, even in the harshest environments. Now, what makes this mount stand out from others on the market? It's all about the fit. The mount is designed specifically for the Mlok system, which is one of the most popular mounting platforms for tactical gear. No matter the switch length, this mount can securely hold it in place, making it versatile for different setups. Another fantastic feature is its ergonomic design. The edges are radiused and chamfered, making sure that when you handle the mount or adjust your switch, it feels comfortable and doesn't create any unnecessary discomfort. This thoughtful design ensures that you can keep focused on the task at hand without being distracted by an uncomfortable mount. Installation is a breeze. The mount comes with everything you need to get it securely attached to your rifle. It includes T-nuts, screws, and an Allen key, so no extra tools are required. Once installed, the mount stays firmly in place, ensuring that your pressure switch is held securely in the best position for quick and easy activation. Whether you're out in the field, on a range, or just need a reliable tactical setup, this mount provides the perfect solution. It offers stability, durability, and ease of use, all packed into a lightweight and strong design. If you're looking to step up your game with a top-quality Mlok remote pressure switch mount, the LThyzszb is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. And make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed reviews like this. See you in the next video.